So let's get you some guacamole.
Okay, table side guacamole.
All right, you start with a little bit of garlic here.
Right? So you're muddling it all in there?
Absolutely. And then what we'll do is we'll get a couple avocados going over here.
Right? Very nice.
Beautiful. All right. Beautiful.
All right.
And then we'll be sure to cut these up. Not too small, so you still get some chunks in there.
Right.
But
So basically, yeah, you want your guacamole to have chunks in it.
absolutely.
Not all just like creamy.
That's
like,
right. All right, so once we have those cut up a little bit here like this,
Right?
go ahead and make sure we're good to go there. All right. Now, we'll go ahead and take a little bit of onions.
Onion.
Little onion.
Okay.
All right, beautiful. Onions in here for you. A little bit of tomatoes.
Ah, there we go.
And how spicy would you like the guacamole?
Not real. Make it like a medium.
Medium, like a 5?
Yeah, we don't want to like burn everybody out of the
You
table.
got it. So for a medium, we'll do about 2 spoons of the serrano peppers here.
The serranos, okay.
Yeah, a little bit of serranos, and we got a little
Right.
cilantro here as well.
Cilantro.
The good stuff.
That's right.
One more of these cilantros here.
Right.
Get a little salt for some flavor. Excellent. Now we'll just kind of give it a little bit of a smash here. Just to get all the flavors to mix together
Right.
well. Alright.
There you go.
Nice. There. Now we're getting somewhere. Now it's starting to look like some guacamole.
Now it looks like guacamole.
Absolutely. Alright, so to finish her off, go ahead and clean this guy off here. Do a nice little toss with these guys.
Okay.
And then, of course, what's guacamole without some lime? Go ahead and get some lime juice in here for you.
Ah, there we go. You gotta have lime on
Gotta
the
have
guacamole.
lime in the guacamole. It's
Sure you
essential. Alright, we'll do one more for good measure.
Okay.
Perfect, perfect. Alright, now that we've got all this mixture together, we'll give it one more turn around. Alright,
That
there
looks
we
good.
go. Beautiful.
Making me
beautiful.
hungry just watching you.
Alright, excellent.
Yeah, it is.
Well, it's just about time to enjoy.
All right.
Alright, beautiful, beautiful. Excellent. Go ahead and get this right on the middle of the table here for you.
Oh, I'm gonna have the El Salto first.
Look at that.
There it is.
Beautiful.
Well, thank you.
You're very welcome.